with him, you know. I know where to find. In my place of prayer, in my place of prayer, in my prayer. His spirit, ready. Oh, it's the only voice. Is the only voice. Gently gives me my direction. Oh, my direction. And I follow. And I follow. I follow that voice. One day, He's the only voice. He's the gently give me, gently give.